This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jaguar F-Type trunk with a dead battery. First, you'll need to find the small, physical key blade hidden inside your electronic key fob. This is your essential tool for manual entry. Once you have the key blade, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door. Give it a firm turn clockwise to manually unlock the door. This grants you access to the vehicle's interior, which is the first step towards opening that stubborn trunk. Now that you're inside, the next step is to provide temporary power to the car. Locate the hood release lever, usually found near the driver's footwell, and pull it to pop open the hood. Under the hood, you'll find designated terminals for jump starting. Connect a portable jump starter or a booster packed to these terminals, ensuring a secure and correct connection. This temporary power will allow the electronic systems, including the trunk release, to function. With temporary power flowing, the car's electrical system should be partially active. You can now attempt to open the trunk. Try pressing the trunk release button located on your dashboard, or use the trunk release button on your key fob if it's now responding. One of these methods should successfully activate the latch. The trunk should pop open, granting you full access to the rear compartment and, more importantly, to the vehicle's main battery for further attention. Once the trunk is open, you'll find the main battery typically located in the rear compartment. With access, you can now proceed to jump-start the vehicle using the main battery terminals, or, if necessary, replace the dead battery entirely. This process gets your F-Type back on the road. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.